Hey, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? Today is something really, really different. Not reviewing anything, there's no rants, there's no angry talks, there's nothing. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to call this one. But in a green room I had before a live stream, I was talking to a good friend of mine, Ken, your content coach. If you haven't checked out his channel, seriously, Ken, your content coach. Go look him up. He made mention, because I was joking around about some blades, he's like, dude, I know nothing about knives. So I instantly went, here's the only lesson you need to know. Put the pointy end in the bad person. But it got me thinking. I do have friends that don't really know anything about knives. I know some people have professed their absolute fear of blades. You know, not mentioning any people, J. Cruz. If you're ever watching this, J. Cruz, talking to you, Healthy. But it got me thinking, okay? I want to do a series for beginner people going into blades. I'm not talking about compare this company versus that company, this steel versus that steel. I want to help alleviate your fears or help you gain knowledge. So this is what I need from you before I get things rolling. Leave me comments right down below. What would you like to know about blades? I mean, seriously, don't be a smartass because I'll just delete the comment. What would you like to know? How can I help you overcome your fears? You know, for you first-time guys, your questions, leave those down below so I can get this series rolling. I figured here's like a call to action for you guys. I know how we all love those, right? We all want to jump in. We all want to be part of something. We all want to help out. Here's your chance to gain knowledge and help me present that knowledge to you in a way that you want. So seriously, all my non-knife friends who are either scared of knives or don't know much about them other than, okay, they cut my steak nice, you know, because I've been carrying a blade in some form or another for about 4 decades now. So I'm pretty comfortable with knives. I'm pretty comfortable at talking with them. I'm pretty comfortable about helping alleviate your fears. I understand. Knives get portrayed as a big, bad, scary object that bad people use to do damage. I will say it like this. A knife is a tool. A knife is designed to cut. That's it. What that person does with that tool is on that person. We use knives every day in our life. Butter bread, butter toast. You know, cut your steak, cut your meat, cut your veggies for all you vegetarian people. I still don't understand you guys. I really don't. But rock on. More power to you. You use letter openers, which in a way is a knife. It's a very, very blunted knife, but it's a knife. Scissors are just 2 knives working in concert together to cut through things a little easier. So like I said, leave me your questions down below. Leave me what you would like to learn down below. And I'm not talking about why this steel is better than that steel, why this, is that, why this company. No. We all have questions. And I'm opening up future videos to you guys. If you want, I'll mention you in the video. If you don't want, I will keep your stuff quiet. If you feel even more comfortable, down below in the description, there is a way to email me. You can email me what you would like to know, and we'll keep it anonymous. So please, give me what you want to know, and let's make these into future videos. Sounds good, right? It's like I said, here's your call to action to my non-knife people and my non-knife friendly people. Let's get this moving. Okay, so if it made you laugh, made you cry, made you do anything during this video, please hit that big old thumbs up. It's only going to help trigger that algorithm, and trust me, we want this to get out there far and wide because let's help people, all right? Let's help people overcome their fears and let's help people get knowledge. That's always an amazing thing, right? Now, for you first-time viewers on my channel, I just want to say, hey, thank you so much for viewing this video. I know it's really different, all right? Trust me, I know this one is completely different, but still, it's a good one. And I hope you leave me a comment down below about what you may want to learn about blades. Seriously. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question's why? What can I do to earn your subscription? Please, leave a comment right down below. Free, easy, real simple. And let's see if we can implement that into a future video. Now, after you've done all that fun stuff, take a look right there in that corner. I know I'm doing the usual YouTube-y things, so forgive me, okay? You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up in just a moment. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. One click, easy access. After you've knocked that out the way, please, if you so choose, destroy the little bell icon that's sitting right next to it. Why? That's a really good question. Because that's going to let YouTube notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love and we cherish YouTube for, 2 will be popping up somewhere over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube's going to select from my current catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go. To all my non-knife knowledgeable people and non-knife guys, hit me with your questions. Let's make this a great learning experience for you, okay? Thanks so much for watching. I hope all of you are having an incredible day, a wonderful day, and I'll see all of you in our very next video.